The following video is a HRT-210 backlash test as for the customers requested. We have the machine powered up to the machine. The air is disconnected. We're going to show the indicator move so you can see the A-axis is moving. And then here you can hear, there you go, showing the indicator is okay. Now we're going to put a bar in and add 15 pounds of pressure with the brake off to show the backlash in the rotary.
Right there.
About 2 lines, and it's a 0.0001 indicator. Okay, let go. Right there. Okay. Perfect. The following video is a HAAS HRT-210 rotary table backlash test.